So what have you got to show us this week? What have you been working on?
Okay, so from this week, I've started a new series of video. It's like
A new YouTube build series, right?
yeah. Camilla like building with me, like build a
30-minute sister.
yeah.
That's not a 30-minute sister.
It's definitely not taking like around 30 minutes.
But you put option parts.
yeah.
Because what was the brief?
So it's like I'm going
We need
to
a sexy girl to pose with our stories.
yeah. So it's gonna be like a mascot character for Hearns. So
And you're going to paint it up in
the
orange.
yeah, in orange
9 steps.
yeah, in 9 steps like color scheme.
I can't wait. So we're going to have a sexy 9 steps anime girl.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And what have you built so far?
So what I got so far is like I finished the head.
We're going to have to look on the overhead.
Yeah.
Hey,
for sure,
what do you
for sure.
reckon?
Yeah.
Let's go to the overhead one and have a look at what you were looking at. We'll put us in the little box down the bottom there so people can see us. So she's still got the green hair like the box.
Yeah, but I'm gonna paint them in another color anyway.
What color?
I'm thinking of orange, like orange.
A red hair?
Yeah.
Well, we couldn't do pink hair because that's your hair. Hey?
Yeah.
I said, can't she have pink hair? She said, no, that's my hair. And you had to prove a point by wearing a pink wig today. That's fantastic. I love your costume, by the way.
Thank you. Yeah, so
I don't want to mention anything about the size of the boobs, but they're quite big, right?
yeah, they're the optional boobs.
Optional bolt-on parts.
Yeah,
That's
like
fantastic.
released by official. So yeah.
And she's going to be quite poseable when she's finished.
Yes, gotta be.
So what
yeah.
option parts did you put? Let's have a look. So is the option parts in here?
So it's like inside the box.
Have a look inside the box.
Yeah.
So what's her name? Far-Farina.
Yes.
That's going to be the name of our 9 steps girl, Far-Farina. Is it?
You can give her another name. Yeah.
Look at that.
So it's like I put the upper body part onto her and gonna attach the original armor from the kit.
Original
afterwards.
armor?
Yeah.
And that's the best thing, right? Is that you can option them up quite easy.
It's
and
like
quite simple.
you can feel free to swap to any parts, like.
And she comes with plain faces, is it?
Yeah.
So you can put all different.
Yeah, different decals for expressions. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
And you've given her orange eyes.
Yeah. Orange
That's to
eyes.
go, and she's going to have orange clothes or orange armor.
Gonna be orange and black and dark brown.
Yeah.
Yeah, dark brown. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I love it. So keep an eye out on that bill, guys. I'm looking forward to this little anime figure coming to life, and going to be part of our social media, right?
Yeah.
For you.
Definitely.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's okay.
Look, I've broken her.
It's not
I hope
broken. It's like I'm building her like very loose in for every single parts just for test build, so I can easily take them off and.
Well, I hope that she's strong because we're going to be doing all sorts of things with her, right?
Yeah.
I love it. So keep an eye out on YouTube for your build series of Far-Farina and the option parts.
Yes.
I feel like I'm saying it wrong.
You
It's not Far-Farina, is it?
Far-Farina, yeah.
Far-Farina.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
correct.
Far-Farina.
Yeah.
All right. Oh,
You
I'm
can-
glad you're building it. I'm way too immature. I can't help it. Anyway,
Yeah.
you're the specialist.
And
That's Suletta.
you
Did
recognize her name.
Did I say it right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Suletta.
Yeah.
And she's the pilot of
Gundam Ariel.
Gundam Ariel.
Yeah.
From which series?
Witch from Mercury.
Witches from Mercury.
Yeah.
Witch from Mercury.
Yeah.
And she is the witch from Mercury. Is that
yeah,
right?
she
She's
is the witch from Mercury.
she's like the star of the show.
Yeah.
Now, again, I'm probably going to break her, so I'll let you handle her. But
Yeah,
show
for sure,
the people, because you've done a lot of customizing work on Suletta
like-
as well,
Yeah,
right?
it's like refreshing everything, like every single thing. So I did the gap filling and recolored the hair.
Recolored the hair.
Yeah. It's like it's not
Why?
putting any top coats yet, so you will find some like.
Oh, that's
some
where
part-
you melted the sprue, right?
Yeah,
Is that
yeah.
the one where you did sprue glue or something?
I did the sprue melting on the legs.
To take away the seams and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to take away the gate marks on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I did a bit of, I basically repaint all the clothes. So all the whites are repainted by lacquer. This one.
Which one?
Off-white. Mr. Color off-white.
Did you use brush?
Yes, I do brush paint for this one because I only work in like at the counter, so I can't use airbrush there. It's too loud and yeah, too much things there.
Kobe was using the airbrush on the train counter the other day.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I won't do that. That's too much for me. That's too much. Yeah, and yeah, I used lacquer paint for the clothes.
Yep.
And then for the boots, I
Excuse me.
yes, okay. I paint with the dark gray and the rubber black. So
And the rubber black.
yeah, so you will see the inside of the boots are
Like a different texture.
yeah, different texture sort of. Where is my? Yeah, here it is.
Oh, you can see.
Yeah, you can see, right?
It's like micro detail.
Yeah, and yeah, this kit come with a very like realistic folding on the clothes and blue.
I can
boots,
see
yeah.
down here, right?
Yeah.
You can see all the little like folds and the texture.
Yeah,
Really
yeah,
cool. And
very,
it's all standard.
yeah, and it comes out very nicely when you do some tiny bit extra touch on there. And then
What and then? No and then.
3 last thing. Okay, so I add some paints at the inside.
On the inside.
Yeah, you can see with the metallic. It's called rich gold or something. So it
Where?
has. I'm trying to.
Inside there.
Yeah, inside that. So it's like a very metallic-ish texture
Inside the sleeve.
Yeah, very shiny, and give a lot of like different.
And you put like chrome, like gold up here, right?
Yeah,
It's very shiny.
Yeah, and also for the ties here. Yeah, it's repainted as well. Yeah, and
Are you happy with her?
Yeah, very very happy with that.
Very, very happy.
Yeah, it comes out really nicely. Yeah.
And this is using Mr. Color paints.
Yeah, Mr. Color, the super metallic series. This one. Yeah.
And you did it with a brush.
Yeah, brush.
That's pretty good. Pretty good brush work, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And lastly.
Lastly, what lastly?
Last two.
Which one?
So the lines on the clothes.
The lines on the clothes, right? Gonna have to go this one again.
Yeah, going back.
The lines on the clothes.
Yeah, the black line is the panel line, Tamiya panel line color.
I use panel line.
Yeah, black. But I see it's like the black is like too outstanding if I do that on the pants. So I use the enamel, just general enamel.
Did you thin down the XF? This one?
Yeah, this one.
How come you use enamel and not like acrylic or something?
Because I feel like enamel is like having a better texture on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't tell Kobe. You didn't use Humbro.
I don't use Humber.
Why not? Because your friends will tease you.
I feel like the Humber's like tints are very hard to like when you open it, it's very hard to put them back. Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
And what about what? Have you got makeup on?
Yeah.
What's
and
this one?
This one is the weathering master. Yeah. So Tamiya does have the weathering master set for figures.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
for
one.
figures.
Yeah, for figures. So these are like the shadow colors for different skin tones.
It's like your makeup.
Yeah. It really looks like the eyeshadow palette or something.
Probably is. You could probably just use eyeshadow. Have you tried it for eyeshadow?
Not yet.
Is that what you're wearing? Are you wearing Tamiya pink on your eyes today? No?
No, not the same thing.
Is this one new or have you used this one?
Use this one. Yeah, you can tell.
It is like makeup. Look at that. I mean, I don't know. I have to get Tony Gray in on this because he's the makeup expert on a Friday. That's all right.
Yeah.
Well, and this is how you paint your model with a makeup brush.
Yeah. It's exactly the same vibe of using these ones.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't believe.
So I put those colors
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll have to get Tony to try it on. We'll put some makeup on Tony after. What do you think? I'll leave it to the side here.
Yeah.
I'll leave it to the side and I'll get him to see. It is Friday, so he might put on some makeup today for us. What do you think?
Good idea.
Fantastic. I didn't realize it came like exactly like a makeup thing.
It really looks like a makeup like palette.
There you go.
especially with the color. Yeah.
I love it. So that's fantastic. So that's 2 things that you've been working on.
Yeah.
This one here is what, pretty much finished now?
Yeah, I'll do a top coat and then it's gonna go into the display cabinet.
Into the display cabinet.
Next
What's the top
to-
coat? Clear?
Oh,
Or-
should be matte.
yeah, you're going to matte clear the whole
Yeah,
thing
yeah, matte clear the whole thing.
with the airbrush? Or
Maybe
just spray cans?
just spray cans.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful. And that'll
Yeah.
make it hard wearing as well, right?
Mm.
Yeah?
Mm.
Fantastic. That is awesome. And we did have some Gundam come through as well yesterday.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
we've
yeah.
seen been going out. It's good because we've actually we've been able to secure 6s and 12s of things. So hopefully people are not missing out. You've got something here to talk about for the next couple of days.
Yeah, I'm hoping they leave something for me for next
For
week.
tomorrow. Hey, you're going to be here tomorrow. There's probably going to be nothing left again.
Yeah.
No, so Kawa is here all day today. You'll be in again tomorrow.
Yes.
Are you going to wear pink wig tomorrow?
We'll see.
Well, it's going to be a surprise. You have to come in store and find out, right?
Yes.
That is awesome. All right, Kawa, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.